Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to activate WhatsApp dark mode. So here, to get started, I'm already in my WhatsApp. So at the top of the screen, you can see the three dots. The three dots denoted as the settings. Click on it. Once you have clicked on it, scroll down until you see the chats option. Here is the chat option. I have clicked on it. Now you can see the theme at the top of the screen. Click on the theme option and select the dark mode and select OK. Once it's done, you are successfully able to activate dark mode on WhatsApp.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.